house has a long history within the village, having been part of the original sheep fairs back in 1792. The clients had sought an architect who could provide a contemporary addition to the house, but still maintain respect for the original barn. Hurdle House is a large detached barn set just outside Alresford town center. The house, occupying the southwest corner of the site, faces on a Northor South axis with a front garden or driveway and an extensive rear garden with expansive views to the north. The house receives sunlight throughout the day and is overlooked only by the surrounding trees and fields. The extension comprises a large open-plan kitchen, dining area, casual seating with utility or go-you-see and study attached. A major aim of the project was to increase the excitement when entering the property. The backbone of the design is to link movement from public areas through to private areas in the form of designed elements that use visual barriers rather than physical blockades. The new main entrance will bring you directly into the proposal, showing off views directly down the garden. With large glass apertures, the natural surroundings of the property blur the boundaries into the proposed extension. Vertical timber cladding has been used to mimic the surrounding trees and provide a contemporary contrast to the existing building. This clearly shows that this work is architecture of this time.